Number 1. 1966 Ford F100, price $7,200, finished in its original green exterior with a matching green interior, showcasing a timeless vintage look. With 310,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a strong and dependable runner, powered by a 3.9L V6 engine paired with a manual transmission, both of which are part of its all-original setup. Despite its age, the truck runs and drives well, thanks to recent maintenance that includes a new flywheel, starter, spark plugs, and distributor. The tires are in good condition, and the vehicle is registered with up-to-date plates. This F100 stands as a testament to Ford's durability and engineering from the 1960s, offering a solid foundation for a daily driver, weekend cruiser, or even a restoration project. Number 2. 1997 Toyota T100, price $8,200. This is a rare and well-preserved classic, ideal for Toyota enthusiasts. It's powered by the legendary 3.4L V6 engine with only 123,000 miles and a 4-speed automatic transmission, offering strong reliability and smooth performance. Finished in burgundy with a tan interior, it features power windows and locks, an AM/FM/CD player, and several factory options. The truck has been partially restored over the years and hasn't seen salt in the last 7 years. Recent updates include a new gas tank and fuel lines, new battery, new alternator and belt, aftermarket Ultra rims with Firestone Destination tires, a newer exhaust system, repaired rust, a repainted hood and roof, and a new rear bumper. Always a head-turner it shows, this T100 is a dependable and collectible classic. Number 3. 1990 Ford F150, price $9,850. It's powered by a V8 5.0 LEFI engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and features a 4x4 drivetrain with a manual floor shifter. The truck also includes independent suspension, dual gas tanks, air conditioning, and cruise control for added comfort and versatility on the road. The exterior is finished in gray with a clean blue interior, and it runs on gasoline. This truck comes with a clean California title under the seller's name and recently passed a smog check on June 13, 2025. It's currently registered through March 2026. A long list of new parts and recent services add to the truck's value and reliability. These include a brand new California legal MagnaFlow catalytic converter, new ignition coil, EGR valve, interstate battery, oil change, gas filter, air filter, antifreeze, thermostat, spark plugs, and transmission fluid. This Ford F-150 not only looks great but also runs like new and has been well cared for, making it a strong contender for both daily driving and weekend adventures. Number 4. 1971 Ford F-250, price $8,000, heavy-duty truck with an 8-foot bed, making it ideal for hauling or weekend projects. It's powered by a strong 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Both the transmission and rear end were just fully serviced with all new seals and bearings, and there are no leaks. The engine has also been recently tuned up and runs smooth. The truck has an off-white exterior and a green interior. The interior remains in decent condition for its age, while the body shows some surface rust but no major structural damage. All the braking components, including rotors, calipers, pads, bearings, and hoses, have been replaced, so it stops as well as it drives. With only 59,000 original miles, this F-250 stands out as a reliable and well-maintained vintage truck, ready to drive as is or take to the next level with some light restoration. Number 5. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, finished in red with a gray interior. It's had regular maintenance and several recent upgrades that make it a reliable, strong-running truck. Performance upgrades include shorty headers, a cold air intake with a KN filter, MSD ignition components, new spark plug wires, and a neighbor hater muffler with side exhaust. It has a new fuel pump, thermostat, temp sensor, serpentine belt, and battery. The transmission has been rebuilt, and it rides on new tires and front shocks. Inside, it features a new gauge cluster, two 6.5-inch speakers, and two 1 tweeters. The AC is non-functional, and there's some oxidation on the bed and door tops, but overall, it's in good mechanical shape. Number 6. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000, dependable truck with 144,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a green exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission. Despite some typical Michigan rust, the body remains presentable and structurally sound. The engine was completely rebuilt just 5,000 miles ago, offering renewed reliability and performance. Additionally, the transmission was rebuilt at a GM factory, ensuring quality workmanship and smooth shifting. The truck still runs and drives well, though the differential is currently making a bit of noise and should be addressed in the near future. A number of new parts have been installed, and the vehicle comes with a clean title and full documentation to support its maintenance history. The air conditioning system is not currently functional, but only because it needs a hose and a recharge. The required hose is included with the truck. Number 7. 1968 Chevrolet C20, price $6,000, powered by a 327 cubic inch small block Chevy engine paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. Finished in blue both inside and out, it delivers a nostalgic yet capable experience on the road. Originally a 4x4, the cab, front clip, and bed were removed and mounted onto a 1972 C20 chassis, giving it updated mechanicals including front disc brakes and power steering, making it more reliable and easier to handle at modern speeds. It runs beautifully down the highway, and all the lights function as they should. While it performs impressively, the exterior does show signs of cosmetic work. The body has considerable filler in places, and some fiberglass was used in the rocker panels. The paint appears to be a basic application, possibly using tractor paint, giving it a rugged, workhorse look rather than a show-quality finish. Number 8. 1998 GMC 1500, price $5,700. It features a sleek black exterior paired with a bold red interior, and it runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission. This truck continues to run and shift smoothly, and the 4x4 system works exactly as it should. A number of important updates have recently been made to keep this vehicle in top condition. These include a new fuel tank, fuel lines, fuel pump, and sending unit. The driver's side head and head gasket have both been replaced, along with the water pump and AC blower motor to ensure reliable cooling and heating. Cosmetic and functional touches like new door handles, a driver's side door latch, mirror, and a dash skin have also been added. A brand new battery was installed on May 28, 25, so it's ready to go without hesitation. Number 9. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500, with 171,000 miles on the odometer. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. While it's mechanically sound and ideal for daily work use, it does have a few common GM cosmetic issues, including a broken interior driver's side door handle, though a replacement handle is included in the truck. Additionally, the door panels show typical wear for this model. The truck has not been driven much since last fall and currently has a high idle issue, indicating that it needs a tune-up. Despite these minor issues, it's a dependable vehicle for anyone looking for a no-nonsense, heavy-duty pickup that still has plenty of life left. Number 10. 1989 Dodge D150, price $8,500, with only 103,000 original miles, as verified by a clean Carfax report showing 0 accidents. The current owner is the second to register the truck, and it has remained in the same family for over 30 years. Finished in classic white with a contrasting blue interior, this D150 features a 3.9L V6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission. The clutch is responsive and in excellent condition, making for a very enjoyable driving experience. This truck runs and drives flawlessly, with no leaks of any kind. Recent maintenance includes a coolant flush and an oil change, ensuring it's ready for the road. It's registered with tags valid through August 2025, and comes with a clean title. One standout feature is the custom sealed camper shell, professionally built by a company in Long Beach, California.